Go. Go.
Glow Juice! Introducing Glow Juice, the great new drink to make your intestines shine.
What's up? Nothing, I'm just tired. Do you need some energy?
Yes, I do, but all the energies I've tried suck.
Well, you haven't tried Glow Juice.
Oh, really?
Wait, Glow Juice.
Do you need some Glow Juice? Okay, stop.
That was me!
Glow Juice.
Yes, I do.
You gotta go to the right place then. I said do this.
Are we just going?
Just go.
ahead.
Just
You've
go.
got time. Tell me when to go.
Go.
We don't have a lot of people.